Julian, give me a status update on Clank's transmission.
The coordinates appear to be accurate, but the signal has weakened by 72.3%.
That means Clank's in trouble. Hold on, pal. I'm coming.
Clank's distress call terminates somewhere inside the Citadel. This calls for a...
Silly moving off the battlefield when you use this puppy on him. Snoop around, Chief. You got a right to The magnet launcher is ideal for incapacitating large enemies on the battlefield. Just fire a magnet at an enemy. The ionized orbs will imprison the poor goon in a deadly web of electricity, giving you a supreme tactical advantage. Now you can blow him up or make your escape. The magnet launcher, available only at GrumbleNet. Snoop around, Chief.
Classic smash and grab. Clank's distress call terminates somewhere inside the Citadel. This calls for a classic smash and grab.
Armor upgrade shown here. Next to the
That bolt's rusted. We're going to need some oil. We have to find a way into the Citadel. This airship may be our ticket inside. See if you can unlock the loading platform. Follow me! We're close. I can feel it.
If it isn't the galaxy's favorite Lombaxes, come to rescue your little friend.
Our quarrel isn't with you, Cassiopeia. Hand over Clank and we'll cause no more trouble.
Cause no more trouble, huh? Karina and Libra are dead thanks to you. And now that we've gotten what we need from the caretaker, his time has come. Valkyries! Destroy the Lombaxes!
She's going to kill Clank! I'm going after her!
General, wait!
Lombaxes have split up. Red team, take the rebels. My team will take the little one. Copy that. Red team, move it!
Into our Valkyrie training course. No man has ever survived! Farewell, Ratchet. Take solace in the fact that you never stood a chance.
What is the status of a lesser evil initiative Omega 91? In motion, my love. The Lombax is now trapped in an over-elaborate death scenario designed to torture him into a slow, painful doom. That's unnecessarily evil initiative Omega 96! I said 91! No one read my mouth! Stop yelling at me! Our therapists have to learn how to communicate! This is coming from someone who does nothing but text me all day while I'm
alive. Well, let's see how you survive a silo of deadly nerve toxin.
You should be a smoldering, squishy carcass by now. Don't you treat me like one of your subordinates. I'm not Courtney Gears. Change the channel, will ya? Sleep while overflowing. Never work out.
Wretched space rat.
Mr. Zircon is coming to you.
Bus creature, you'll pay for that!
Ratchet, I've been through 3 buildings and still no sign of Clank. They must have moved him into Cassiopeia's quarters.
I'm tracking her right now. Just hold off the rest of them.
I'm sorry, Ratchet. I should have known the Valkyries faked that distress call. It was foolish of me to suggest the assault.
All that matters right now is Clank. Help me find him, General.
Reinforcements have arrived. Mobilize all available units. Leader, understood. They've taken out our shock troop. We're sending in more units now. I'll notify the captain. We have to move the prisoner.
Oh, man.
Hello, Ratchet. I see.
Yeah, I know. Time for another death trap.
grown into some cheap machine.
Speaking of cheap machines, how much is your boyfriend paying you to do his dirty work?
An amusing observation coming from some orphan doomed to spend his entire life alone. That robot of yours was ready to kick up his little metal feet and stay in the Great Clock forever. Yeah, he wants to leave you, didn't you know that? Don't worry, I'll kill both of you before he gets the chance!
Clank! What have you done to him?
Oh, nothing compared to what I'm about to do to you.
Mr. Zircon,
Wretched space rat!
Hello, Ratchet.
Hey, pal. How you doing?
Fine. You?
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I'm just gonna lie here for a while, though, okay? Whew. I'm sorry about your father, Clank. I should have stopped Nefarious sooner.
It is all right, Ratchet. Nefarious will pay for what he has done. The only thing that matters now is that we keep the clock safe.
Now don't worry. Once the past has been corrected, you'll have the full support of the Lombax Praetorian Guard. The clock will be in good hands.
You do not understand. Time cannot be changed. Using the clock improperly could rip the very fabric of existence.
Or it could save an entire race of Lombaxes who risked their lives to defend this galaxy.
Ratchet, remember the Dimensionator. Some risks are not worth taking.
Well, maybe Clank's right. If there's even a chance it could destroy the universe, the risk is just too great.
Risk? Risk is what makes us who we are. Ratchet, our kind is lost without us. Think of how many that clock can save. Think of your parents.
I'm sorry. We need to stop Nefarious before he makes the same mistake we almost did. So, you coming, General? General?
why do you hide sticky aliens? Mr. Zircon only wishes fortunes.
To our ship.
Make it hero to Ratchet. Come in.
Is that Captain Quark?
Clank? Well, I'll be Scrunch's uncle. Where'd you come from?
There's no time to explain. We need to stop Nefarious from reaching the clock. We're on our way to the station now, but you have to find a way to stall him.
Way ahead of you, Ratchet. In fact, I'm further undercover than I've ever been before. Ever. In fact, when we get home, let's never talk about this again.
We will meet you outside the station. Ratchet and Clank out.